Welcome! If you've ever wanted to export all the files from a Telegram bot on your PC, this guide is for you. With the latest update, Telegram has made it easier than ever to back up your important files and conversations. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can save everything you need in just a few clicks. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're using the desktop version, as this feature is not available on the mobile app. Once you're in, find the bot from which you want to export files. You can do this by scrolling through your chat list or using the search bar at the top. When you've located the bot, click on its name to open the chat. Now, look at the top of the chat window and click on the bot's name again to open the contact info panel. This brings up all the details and settings related to that specific bot. Next, look for the three dots in the top right corner of the contact info panel. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. From here, select the option labeled Export Chat History. This is where the magic happens. A new window will pop up with several export options. To export all the files shared with the bot, make sure to check the box next to Files. You can also choose to include other media like photos, videos, or even select a specific date range if you don't want everything. But for a complete backup, just check Files. Once you've made your selections, click the Export button. Telegram will process your request and start gathering all the files from your chat with the bot. Depending on the amount of data, this might take a few moments. When the export is finished, Telegram will save the files to your chosen location on your computer. You'll find your exported files neatly organized and ready for use, whether you need them for backup, work, or just peace of mind. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily export all files from any Telegram bot on your PC using the new update. Give it a try and keep your important data safe and accessible whenever you need it.